For the right triangle ABC, which is right angled at C, where we have B measures 3.3, C is measured as 4.4 units, we need to determine the remaining parts. Okay, let us begin. Let's try to understand the problem graphically. So we begin by considering a right angled triangle ABC, which is right angled at C. That means the measure of angle C, that is going to be 90 degrees. Then we have B and C given to us. B is actually the side that is opposite to angle B. That means AC is going to be B, and it's given here that B measures 3.3 units. Then we have C. C is going to be the side that is opposite to angle C. That means AB is going to be denoted by C, and it has a measure of 4.4 units. This is the information that is given to us. Using this, we need to find out the angle measure of A and B, and we'll also need to find out the side that is opposite to angle A, which is A. Okay, let us begin. So what we'll do, let's say in the triangle ABC, let's take sine of angle B. Now we know the sine function is defined as the ratio of the opposite, which is AC, to that of the hypotenuse AB. So sine of B, that is going to be equals to AC. AC here is B, which is given as 3.3, divided by AB. AB is the hypotenuse, which is denoted by C, so that is 4.4. So here we have sine B given by 3.3 over 4.4, or you can simply say this is going to be 3 over 4. Now to find out the measure of B, what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse sine function of both sides. That means sine inverse of sine of angle B, that is going to be equals to sine inverse of 3 over 4. Okay, fine. Now so sine of B, so sine inverse of sine of B, that is simply going to be B. So B is going to be sine inverse of 3 over 4. Let's use the calculator to compute this value. So B comes out to be approximately 48.59 degrees, or we can round it off to the nearest 10 to get 48.6 degrees. That is the angle measure of B. Now that we have the angle measure of B, 48.6 degrees, we can immediately find out the angle measure of A. So here we're going to make use of the fact that since, again we can say that since in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that's always sum up to 180 degrees. So which means that angle measure of A, it's going to be 180 degrees minus angle B, which we obtain as 48.6 degrees added to 90 degrees. So that should give us the angle measure of A. It is going to be 41.4 degrees. That is going to be the angle measure of A. So we've obtained the angle measure of A as 41.4 degrees. Okay, now we need to find out the measure of angle A. So here what we do, we can take the help of tangent of angle B. So we know the tangent is simply defined as the ratio of the adjacent and the opposite to that of the adjacent. So we're going to take tangent of angle B. So that is defined as the opposite, which is B, divided by the adjacent, which is A, which means that A is going to be equals to B over tangent of angle B. We can use the value B. We compute B is already given to us, that's 3.3, divided by tangent of the angle 48.6 degrees. So we'll take the value 48.6, we'll find the tangent of that angle. So A comes out to be approximately 2.909, or we can consider it to be 2.9. So this is going to be the measure of the side A, that comes out to be 2.9. So we have successfully obtained the value of angle A, so that's 41.4 degrees, angle B, that's 48.6 degrees, and measure of side BC, or the side A, that's going to be 2.9 units. So this is going to be our final value.